let's get right into the food review. Today's gonna be a quick one. This is part 4. Getting really close to 10. Once I reach to part 10, I won't have any more food review videos. Well, where we go for part 4. We're gonna be trying. Alright, so let me just tell you the thing about it. I'm not gonna spoil it. These have been out for about over 3-4 years, and I haven't tried it out in so long. Doritos Nacho Cheese. Have you seen that Vine where that girl's like, I can't do it good because it's alright. Anyway, we're gonna taste it. I'm not even gonna do that because I don't want to be internet. Alright, so let's taste it. Over a year not tasting it? Alright. That's actually really cool. Oh yeah. Pretty darn good. They look like the Illuminati. I'm killing the Illuminati when I eat it, so I'm not really the Illuminati. Paid $1 for this stuff. It's actually really good. Surprisingly, it's really good. Alright. Let's taste more. This one looks pretty basic. It doesn't have so much cheese on it. Like, look at the first cover. Yeah, it's not so good. But we're gonna taste it. It tastes just like normal cheese, that salsa chip. It tastes just like that. It tastes like a normal tortilla chip. They're not so good. Yeah. This one has a little bit of red to it. Alright. Taste. Say about 10 out of 10. Tummy feel. 10 out of 10. I feel it really hard. Texture, let's say about 3 out of 10 because it doesn't really have so much red as usual. Nice. And smell, let's say about 2 out of 10. So I'm just gonna give it a straight out 8 out of 10. Bye.